What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm going to be doing an update on Shiba Inu token. And on today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on a price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news that might drive the price of this coin higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis. And I will show you what should we expect next. So first of all, let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very point and I've told you that we are forming some kind of descending triangle, and let me show it to you. Right here we have this formation, as you can see, this descending triangle, and usually this triangle breaks to the downside, and I marked this range as our support line. And I've told you that if we would break it, most likely we will hit next range of support. It is this yellow line. It is the top of our first wave that I marked several months ago. And as you can see, we touched it 3 times. And from this range, it was very good confluence level to enter the position. And right after the third touch, we have this massive spike in price. And the reason of this spike was the listing of Shiba Inu on Kraken exchange, and the spike was about 50%, huge increase. But then we have this movement to the downside, and we broke even the bottom of this movement. This means this was the failed wave, and for now we found the support at the range of about $0.03. And let me show you, if I switch to daily time frame, we have very good support. As you can see, below this support we have only a week of this candle. So, and from this point we went higher. And what to expect next from this price action and from this coin, I will show you in my technical analysis. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news, and let's start with the total sentiment for entire crypto industry. For now, we are sitting at $2.36 trillion of total market cap. It is a 0.8% decrease over the last day. And as you can see, the market is pretty much moving sideways during the last 24 hours because Bitcoin lost about 1.38%. Ethereum has small profits of about 0.67%, and Binance is pretty much moving sideways, 0.23% decrease during the last 24 hours. But on a 7 days period, we have a slight increase in the price of these top coins. Bitcoin is up for about 7.82%, Ethereum is up for 4.3%, and Binance is up for 2.3%. And let's continue with the Shiba numbers. For now, it has a total market cap of $20.76 billion. It's up for about 2.44% during the last 24 hours. And the total tradable volume during the last 24 hours is $1.10 billion. It's down for about 41.44%. And let me show you that this movement to the downside as a consolidation phase was with the diminishing volume, and it is quite good sign because when we have increase in volume on the particular movement, this means this movement is most likely the new trend. And as you can see, we have every time when we have movement to the upside, we have huge increase in volume, then decrease on the consolidation phase, and when we have a breakout above this previous top, again we have increase in volume, then again diminishing volume, then breakout right here, and we have again slight increase in volume. But as you can see, this volume is lower than this one, and this means most likely we will have the major retracement to retrace all 5 waves structure. So, and let me show you the news related to Shiba Inu coin. Right here on ambcrypto.com we have this article that is titled Shiba Inu's price will be determined by these factors going forward. And it's quite interesting technical article, but I don't want to dive deep in it. I just want to pay attention on one paragraph in the conclusion. Bitcoin will also have a strong say on Shiba Inu's price movement. In the short term, Shib momentum was neutral and a revisit to 0.035 could occur. However, if Bitcoin continued to rise, stay above $50.8 thousand, Shib could have a chance to run higher. And I completely agree with this statement, because as long as Bitcoin on the bullish side, we have much more chances to hit higher targets, and we have decent chances to even establish a new higher highs and higher lows. And in this case, we can project some major targets for this asset. But for now, let me show you one more news that in my opinion might be very meaningful for this coin. And as you can see, we are on official Shiba token Twitter page, and for now they have 2.4 million followers, and since I made my previous video, they added about 0.4 million followers to this account, and it is a huge increase in new users. And let me show you this tweet that was published on December 25th, and it's titled "Shib Army, we have some exciting news. Shib token alongside David Gockenstein and the team will come together on December 29th at 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to host Shiba's first Shib AMA on Twitter Spaces. We are looking forward to engaging and chatting with you." And here is the link, and you can set a reminder with this link. And I have to say that this is the first time when they will do this Ask Me Anything session. And in my opinion, it is a quite significant step. And for now, this event might drastically increase the interest on Shiba from the retail community, and this will lead to higher volume. And higher volume with the upcoming good news that might be on this event will drive the price of Shiba Inu higher. And that's why we can try to catch the next potential movement. So let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, as you can see, we broke this support line, and for now I have to say that we invalidated our previous targets that I marked previously, and we don't need several tools. And I have to say that because of this breakout below this range, we also invalidated this movement as a motive wave, and this means we cannot hit higher targets that we might hit. So, and what should we expect? In my opinion, let's switch to hourly time frame. In my opinion, we have several waves for now, and these waves are following. This is our first wave. This is potentially our second, third, fourth, and fifth. And because of this movement, we have to have a retracement from the very bottom to the very top. And to measure this retracement, I have to pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from the bottom to the top, because 5 waves on a smaller scale, it is only 1 wave on a greater scale. And as you can see, we almost hit the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement level and bounced back from this range, and for now we are hovering right around 0.236 level. It is a price point of $0.403729. And what should we expect next? In my opinion, if we will have a next leg to the downside, because usually the retracement should have a shape of simple zigzag, and this is potentially might be our A wave, this might be our B wave, and we have to land the bottom of our C wave, and we can land it even as a double bottom pattern with the good bullish news from the development team, or just news related to this asset. Or we might land at the lower ranges, and these ranges might be 0.5, the price point of 0.403426, and even golden pocket, the range in between 0.403253 and 0.403290. So I don't know where we might land, and this means if you want to catch the trade next potential leg to the upside, you have to accumulate the position along these levels, 0.382, 0.5 and the golden pocket. And what are the price targets? Let me zoom out again a little bit. Let's switch to 4 hours time frame. And we have to break previous swing highs in order to establish higher highs and higher lows. And our first target might be from our current price right here, with the potential profits of about 47%. Next one might be right here, with the potential profits of 75.6%. Next one at 109%, and this previous swing high, this top of about 141% of potential profits. So, depending on your entry level, we might have up to 173 to our highest target, 173%. And to our first target, we might have up to 67.27%. So the downside potential is still in play. If we will break this previous bottom, it will invalidate this movement to the upside, and we will hit lower price targets. But so far so good. Just accumulate your position and remember that without the risk you cannot have any rewards. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell, and see you guys and girls next time. Bye!